Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai again. Welcome back to our virtual showroom here to show you another awesome pre-owned vehicle, 2016 Hyundai Elantra GT GLS manual. So sporty, fun to drive, full of standard features. So let's have a quick walk around the outside and I'll show you some of the interior features. So again, the GLS is an upgrade over the GL. Lots of cool features, which I'll point out as we go on the vehicle. You got nice alloy wheels, a little bit of a black insert there. You get the 5-door hatch, which I'll show you shortly. This one has mud flaps, so nice little added accessory. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You got fog lights, nice Hyundai grille. Hood's in nice shape. Windshield, panoramic sunroof. So basically wall-to-wall sunroof, which I'll show you. That's a really nice feature. So hatchback, spin off of our Elantra. They're fun to drive. They're a blast, actually. So again, good sized trunk. You got anchors for all 3 seats there. So if you have child seats or baby seats or anything like that, you can definitely accommodate that. These seats also split fold, and this is also removable. So you can remove the privacy cover. You can fold those seats down if you need any additional cargo space. Put the mats back in there. So this one also comes with a remote starter, great extra feature, little added bonus. So proximity key, I just locked them, I unlocked them, which I could do with the fob, but I decided to use the proximity. Power windows in the rear, you got nice seats here, you got cup holders in the center, which you can fold up, room for 5. Check out that panoramic sunroof, it's awesome, good size sunroof. And like I said, proximity key. So I just locked it, unlocked it. So again, you just have to have the keys in your pocket or somewhere around you, and you don't have to fondle with them anymore looking for your keyless entry. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have locking rear windows, which is a nice safety feature where you have the kids. You got a power driver seat with lumbar support, so standard in the GLS model. You can adjust your interior illumination right here. I'm gonna jump in. All right, so let's look it over. Push button start. What else we got? So we got nice leather. Whoa! We got loud music. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You've got all your volume controls, modes, Bluetooth, hands-free calling on the right-hand side. Sorry, on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you got all your cruise controls. You've got the ability to drive it in sport, normal, or eco mode. So it's electric steering, so you play around with that. You got your trip odometers here. So again, lots of stuff at the touch of the driver's fingertips, which is important. You get all your auxiliaries and iPod inputs right down here. If we move up, you got 2-stage heated seats on both sides, front rear defrost, you got your air conditioning. So again, all nicely laid out right at the tips of the driver. And again, you can shut your traction control off if you had to. If we move up here, here's your information center. You have your radio, you've got XM capabilities. So lots of standard features in this car. It's a blast to drive, it's 4-cylinder, it's a 6-speed, so fuel efficient, dash is in nice shape, cloth's in nice shape. Let's take a look at that sunroof again. Panoramic sunroof, so yeah, lots of cool features in this 2016 Hyundai Elantra GT that I just showed you. And as always, you can call, text, or email if you have any questions about this vehicle. That's just because I took the key out of there. Reminding me, hey, make sure you put the key in and drive away. Don't drive away without the key. 2016 Elantra GT, GLS, manual, blast to drive, fuel efficient, 4-cylinder. Shop 24/7, seawayhyundai.com. And as always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle you see here at Seaway Hyundai.